In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Lovable with Payment Gateway. First, open your browser and go to your Lovable dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're inside, you will be taken to your main project area where you can see all your apps or projects. Next, choose the project where you want to add payments. Click on the project to open its settings and builder interface. Now look for the settings menu, usually located on the left side or inside a top settings panel, depending on your layout. Inside settings, find the section called integrations or payments. After that, you will need to select a payment gateway. The most common option is Stripe, so click on Stripe to start the integration process. You will be asked to connect your Stripe account, so log in with your Stripe credentials and authorize Lovable to access your payment processing features. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Lovable where you can configure your payment settings. Now you can set up things like currency, pricing plans, or one-time payments depending on your product or service. Make sure to save your settings so the integration stays active. Next, you will need to connect your payment button or checkout flow inside your app. Go to your app editor and add a payment component or checkout action. Link it to the Stripe integration you just connected. This ensures that when a user clicks pay, they are redirected to a secure checkout page. After that, it is very important to test your integration. Use test mode in Stripe first to make sure payments are being processed correctly without charging real money. Run a full checkout flow to confirm everything is working smoothly from start to finish. Finally, when everything is working, switch from test mode to live mode inside Stripe and publish your Lovable project. Now your users will be able to make real payments securely through your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Lovable with Payment Gateway. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.